Hello students. So again we are back with another class chapter of your science for class 3. So today we will be starting with the chapter what do animals eat. Now all of you have seen animals. So if I ask you have you seen animals, you will say yes. So have you seen them eating different types of food? Of course. So I think you have noticed butterflies. What do they eat? They eat nectars from the flowers. Again, in case of monkeys, you will see they eat the fruits from the trees. So animals, different types of animals eat different types of food. Animals actually they live in some certain places where they can find food and water. So like based on the kinds of the food they eat, animals can be classified into 3 groups. So when we are classifying the animals, like we are differentiating the animals, what we will see, what type of food they eat. So based on the type of food they eat, we can divide the animals into 3 groups. First we will see some animals eat only plants, like cow, goat. All these animals eat only plants. So animals, again there are some animals that eat only other animals, like lion, tiger. What do they, have you seen lion, tiger eating plants? No. So they eat only other animals. Again there is another third type of animals who eat both the plants as well as animals. So first we will be discussing about the animals that feed only on plants. So some animals eat only plants, and such type of animals are known as herbivorous. So animals that eat only plants are known as herbivorous. So animals like cow, rabbit, yak, horses, goats, etc., elephants, etc. are herbivorous. So herbivorous animals, they have white teeth. The teeth are white, which help them to chew the plants. So how can you identify whether an animal is a herbivorous or not? You will see the teeth are white, which help them to chew the plants. Again you will see that certain birds and insects, they also feed on other plants. For example, you can see in the picture, for example, the parrots eat seeds of other plants, then seeds and nuts, then pigeons eat seeds. Again grasshopper, it feeds on the leaves, tender leaves, and bees and butterflies, they feed on the nectar. So besides some animals, there are insects, and some insects and birds which also feeds on or depends on plants for their food. Now next we will be discussing about animals that feed on other animals. So there are some animals that feed on other animals, or they feed on the flesh of other animals. Such type of animals are called carnivorous animals. So what are carnivorous animals? Animals that feed on the flesh of other animals are called carnivorous animals. So carnivorous animals, like for example, they are tiger, lion, leopards, all these are carnivorous animals. So they eat other animals like deer, bison, rabbit, etc. So when you observe see a carnivorous animal, what are the body features they have? They have sharp teeth, because they have to tear the flesh of other animals, so their teeth are sharp, and they have a good eyesight and strong limbs and sharp claws. The sharp claws and sharp teeth. Claws are the nails present in the paws of the animals. So this claws and the teeth, sharp teeth, helps them to tear open the flesh of the other animals, and good eyesight and strong limbs help them to hunt their prey. They can see with the good eyesight, they can see their prey from a distance, and with the help of the strong limbs, limbs means the legs, with the strong limbs they can run quite fast in order to catch the prey or hunt the prey. So again, beside this, you will see in case of snakes. Now most snakes, they eat what they eat. They eat small animals such as birds, mice, frog, even the eggs of the birds. They don't chew it, but as they don't have teeth, they swallow their food. The snakes swallow their food, and since they eat other animals, small animals like frog, birds, mice, even the eggs of the birds, so snakes are also carnivorous. So all snakes are carnivorous. Again, some birds are carnivorous. Some birds like eagle, owl, they eat small animals. They have small animals like mice, then small snakes. They will eat small animals. So they have a very sharp and strong beaks as well as claws. The claws and the beaks are very sharp and strong. Why? They need to catch the animals and tear it open and eat. So some carnivorous birds, example, what are the examples? Owl, eagle, etc. They have very sharp and strong beaks and claws. Again, some eagles, they catch fish for food. Some eagles even, they catch fish for food, while some feed on small animals such as some animals such as small monkeys. So eagles are seen that they even catch fish and even feed on small animals like small baby monkeys, etc. Again, there are many fishes which are carnivorous. Such fishes have very sharp teeth. The teeth are very sharp. Some big fishes like shark, they live in the sea and they are very powerful hunters and they kill other fish. So fishes like sharks are type of carnivorous fish. Now many insects also feeds on other insects. There are certain insects that feeds on other insects. For example, dragonflies, they eat mosquitoes, insects such as mosquitoes. Again, ladybird beetles, they live on the plants and they eat the insects that damages the plant. That is why ladybird beetle is also known as farmer's friend. So if I ask you why ladybird beetle is known as the farmer's friend, what you will say? Ladybird beetle lives on the plant and it eats the insects that damages the plant. So ladybird beetles are known as farmer's friends. Again, frogs and toads, they too eat insects. They have long sticky tongue with which they can catch the insects. Then the third type of animal that we discussed is the animals that eat both plants and animals. So what are this type of animals called? Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous animals. So they eat plants as well as other animals also. So what are omnivorous animals? Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous animals. Examples of omnivorous animals: bear, peacock, chicken, sparrow, foxes. All these are examples of omnivorous animals. If we take peacock for an example, peacock eats a variety of things like they eat tender leaves, seeds, insects, snakes, and even lizards. So peacock is said to be an omnivorous animal. Why? We can see that peacock eats even plants, like they eat tender leaves, then seeds. Again, they eat other animals like insects, snakes, and lizards. So next, is all animals need, beside the food, all animals need something which is very essential for every life on earth. What is this? It is water. So all animals, they need water, and they drink water from whatever source of water they get, that is from puddles, ponds, rivers and lakes. So in this class what we have discussed is that animals are divided into 3 groups based on what type of food they eat. The first group consists of animals that eat only plants, which are known as herbivorous animals. Example, cow, goat, etc. Then animals which eat or feed on the flesh of other animals are called carnivorous animals. That is, the second type of animal is the carnivorous animals. Example, tiger, lion, leopard, etc. And the third type of animal is omnivorous animals. Those are the animals which eat both plants and animals. Example, peacock, bear, foxes, etc. So we'll end this session here, and your chapter is also completed. So these are the questions which